Northern Vietnam, a place I've wanted to explore for some time. The mountains, the chaos, the calm, it all feels alive. I'm hitting the road to see the north of this country on two wheels. One village, one twist, one coffee at a time, and a bar me here and there. I'm just a traveller exploring, and this is my journey through Vietnam. Right. So the gears, forward is down and backwards is up. Come on. Oh my God. Okay, this is like a little bit hectic. Right. Oh, what was it again? Was it down, down? Hang on, the thing's rerouting. Mine doesn't even say what gear I'm in. I think I'm in 2 now. All right, this is rerouting. So what the fuck? This isn't even working.
I thought you were going to you said back.
All right, well, let's go back that way. 3, 2.
What you're doing?
No.
You look very uncomfortable.
Yeah, I'm not sure about
About what?
the bike. Okay, let's go back around. Yeah. Righty. Oh, fuck. Okay. Intersection, just fucking go. Okay, you go. I'm going. Right. Right, I'm having to look at directions. Where the fuck I am? Do I go? Beep, 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 beep. I'm coming. Do I go around? Getting used to it, trying to look where we're going, thinking about that. Ah, that was all right. Hang on. It's hard to see. I don't know if we're meant to go that way, but if we stay... I'm pretty sure we got to go. Huh?
We got that way straight.
Yeah. No, we got to turn right. So I feel like...
Well, right in here.
Yeah, but no one's travelling that way. This is all one way. Let's start going that way, and if it's wrong...
If it's wrong, we cannot go back.
Let's go that way. Watch out. Okay, fucking traffic, mate. No, this is not right. No, we've got to turn around and go back.
When we going to go on this one, yeah?
Yeah, but then we're going to end up on the toll road, I think.
Where are we going? We're going to go back.
It's not right. Got to turn the brightness up on here. Like we're just going the wrong way. Well, get your phone out. All right, now it's rerouting. All right. Okay. Right, we will eventually get out of here. So the aim was to attempt to leave early before the traffic, but I don't think that's possible here. Okay. Here am I in. Okay. Hanoi is a densely populated city with an estimated 7 million motorbikes. It can seem chaotic. I see it as organised chaos. There seems to be a fluid system, you just need to find that flow and go with it. So ride with awareness and consideration and use your horn. All right, I think we're on track. Yes, we are on track. Not I think, we are. Well. All right, here we go. So this is a nice little side track that I've found to avoid getting on the highway. And honestly, I don't mind if it takes me longer to get to my destination. I much prefer this type of road to the highway. And I think I'm probably, I don't know, half an hour out of Hanoi. This is better. I'm all about the back roads. We found a place to have a barman. And I think Fernando picked. So being a vegetarian in Vietnam can have its challenges. So for me, one word in Vietnamese to learn was vegetarian, ăn chay. But despite my efforts to convey that I am vegetarian, many attempts were made to add a sneaky little sausage into my banh mi. So I learnt pretty quick not to look away when they're making it and to point to exactly what I want in there and exactly what I don't want in there. And that worked. So from what I've learnt of Vietnam from my last trip and this trip is every area kind of has its little thing, like whether it might be growing dragon fruits or the rubber trees or whatever it is, rice, mangoes. So the last few days in the north of Vietnam here, there's been some pretty severe heavy rainfall. Our flight actually couldn't land in Hanoi because of monsoonal storm, and so I'm kind of expecting to see some repercussions of that, some landslides maybe. Also, what I've learned about the Vietnamese people, they are very quick to get shit done. They will have things cleaned up like much earlier than what we would in the Western world. Chicky, chicky, chicky. Chicky, chicky, chicky. It's got to be up here. Xin chào. Have we gone the right way? How am I going to ask? Okay, yep, she's saying yes. This is why I like to be able to touch the ground, because if I couldn't touch the ground right now, I'd be fucked. I'll tell you what, these bikes can go anywhere. So I'm just sticking to the motorbike track of the previous person, because I figure okay, I'm sort of alright with going up, but coming down I'm not very good at. Okay, slow, I'm sliding. Okay, back brake, he says. Back brake. Ah, well. All right, I can do this. Okay, so this was the shortcut to the highway, it looks like. Cool. This way, yeah? That's weird. Thank you. Shook off this weird guy that was following us. You know, the people here are like super friendly and great, but occasionally you'll get a weird one. Anyway, look at these mountains. It is just beautiful. Wow, wow, wow.
Riding through the Kalbang province feels like stepping into another world. Massive limestone mountains rise straight out of the earth. Jagged peaks and lush green forests. It's the kind of landscape that feels raw, untouched and truly amazing.
Ciao. Xin chào. Right, feeling revived after a mango smoothie and a Hanoi. These mountains are crazy. Wow, what to say, this is amazing.
So we're on our way to find a homestay for the night. I generally don't pre-book, as I like to see where I get for the day and just to check out the vibe of the place.
Số tiền còn lại trong tài khoản không đủ để thực hiện cuộc gọi này. Xin vui lòng.
Looks like no one's at home, so heading off and searching for another homestay for the night.
Hey, Aussies! They're albino! lady from our homestay, she was so kind that she's brought us to this beautiful spot so we can have a swim, check it out. This is the place we're staying for the night. It's called Homestay Yen Long. The lady's super nice. And that's the view we've got from our room. It's pretty spectacular. How is it, Fernando? No duck. Fernando ate duck today. I mean, it's just 2 minute noodles. The room here was 300,000 dong for the night. That's with a shared bathroom. We're the only ones here tonight, so we've got it all to ourselves.